Adani Group stocks rallied today after market regulator SEBI announced its decision on the Adani-Hindenburg case. India dismissed allegations raised by US short seller Hindenburg Research. SEBI said that the allegations against the Adani Group in the Hindenburg matter could not be established. The regulator concluded that there was no evidence of wrongdoing and dropped all proceedings against the group. Welcoming the order, Gautam Adani in a post on X wrote, "After an exhaustive investigation, SEBI has reaffirmed what we have always maintained, that the Hindenburg claims were baseless. Transparency and integrity have always defined the Adani Group. We deeply feel the pain of the investors who lost money because of the fraudulent and motivated report. Those who spread false narratives owe the nation an apology." He added, "Our commitment to India's institutions, to India's people, and to nation building remains unwavering. Satyamev Jayate, Jai Hind." So what were the allegations raised by Hindenburg? What does SEBI's final order say? Let's take a look in this episode of Newswatch. It started in January 2023 when US short seller Hindenburg Research released a report on the Adani Group alleging stock manipulation, accounting fraud, and the use of offshore tax havens and shell companies to route funds. The report titled Adani Group: How the World's Third Largest Man is Pulling the Largest Con in Corporate History made many allegations against the conglomerate. In the report, Hindenburg had alleged that funds were moved out of Adani-controlled entities through multiple tax havens and then reinvested into listed Adani companies to artificially inflate share prices. The report said that the Adani Group used Adicorp Enterprises, Milestone Trade Links, and Revar Infrastructure as conduits to route money between its listed companies. According to the short seller, this method allowed Adani companies to avoid the disclosure norms on related party transactions, which could potentially mislead investors. The report was released just days before Adani Enterprises was set to launch its 20,000 crore rupees follow-on public offer, significantly rattling investor confidence and triggering a sharp fall in Adani Group stocks. Earlier this year, Hindenburg's founder Nate Anderson had also announced that the firm would be disbanded. So how did the Adani Group respond to these allegations? The Adani Group, in response, categorically denied the allegations as baseless and motivated by vested interests. Hindenburg Research was a New York-based investment research firm founded by Nathan Anderson. It was known for its controversial short-selling practices. The firm, named after the 1937 Hindenburg disaster, was known for its detailed research and short-selling reports. However, the firm shut down in January 2025 after the founder, Nate Anderson, announced the decision to step back. SEBI, in two separate orders, absolved Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Adani Power, and other group firms of allegations of insider trading, market manipulation, and violations of public shareholding norms. SEBI held the charges were unsubstantiated. SEBI clarified that when those transactions took place, deals with outside parties didn't fall under the rules for related party transactions. That rule was expanded only later after the 2021 amendment to listing regulations. On the fund routing allegations, SEBI responded to Hindenburg's claim that three firms, Adicorp Enterprises, Milestone Trade Links, and Revar Infrastructure, were used to move money between Adani Group companies. The regulator said the loans were repaid with interest, no funds were siphoned off, and therefore there was no fraud or unfair trade practice. Based on these findings, SEBI said the Adani Group cannot be held responsible and the case has been closed. While the SEBI has cleared 2 charges against Adani Group firms, 23 other orders are pending. What is your opinion on the case? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.